It's real thin. Okay. I should have gotten it right then. How do you feel about
The face. Look at those eyes.
He's spitting it out. Do you want it? How is that? Is that the good stuff, man?
Look at those cheeks.
He's watching football now.
Perfect. Getting fed and watching football.
Is this good?
He's doing very well.
James, we all want to watch the game too. We're going to feed you.
Pick. Eric Reed.
Eric Reed. Your dog caught it, James.
You mean?
Your dog
No, they're
intercepted.
calling it a trap.
Are
Okay?
they?
Yeah.
What's up, Gary? Nope, nope, nope.
Let's see.
I bet if that was Florida, he wouldn't be saying that. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Good call.
Yeah.
He's doing great. You're doing great. You're squeezing it back out, but that happens.
You like that?
He is now, Francis. He's opening his mouth and going for it.
That's cute, James. You'll figure it out. Yeah. Oh, that was good.
Oh, and then, you know, I guess he's just learning how to
Do it.
move it to the back of his throat, you know?
That's pretty good stuff, that rice cereal.
Yeah, you're doing good. I know. It's good, huh?
I'm going to get a new angle.